First go to the file and choose open. Select this girl with pillow image. Press open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the pillow like this. Press Ctrl Z twice to create two duplicate layers of the selection. Hide the top layer. Select the middle layer. Now take the rectangle tool. Select the shape option. Now create the rectangle shape like this. Right click on this layer and choose convert to smart object. Right click on this layer again. This time choose create clipping mask. Double click on this layer. Go to the file and choose place embedded. Select this flower texture image. Click place. Hold the Alt button and increase the image size like this. Press enter. Open file and choose save. Go to our main window. Open blend modes and choose linear burn. Right click on this layer and choose blending options. Here adjust the underlying layer option like this. Press OK. Then expose the top layer. Go to blend modes and choose multiply. Let's see the final result.